Welcome to video 1-9, solve a quadratic inequality. So now it's going to be different than equations. Here's our example. Solve x squared minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0. Here's the basic steps. First, make it an equation. Then factor if possible. If not, you've always got the quadratic formula. Find the critical points or the zeros. Test the three regions. Report the solution with the regions that are good. All right, so here we go. So step one, make it an equation. So I'm just going to rewrite it as x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. That's all I did. Then factor this equation. X minus 4, x plus 1 equals 0. And I usually do my OA check, minus 4x plus 1x minus 3x, check. Okay. Then find the zeros, which are going to be the critical points. So chunk it up. So x equals 4, x equals -1. Then I'm a visual person, I usually draw a number line. So I'll do that right now. So I've got a -1, and I've got a 4. I'll just put other numbers in as well. 5, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my critical points were at 4 and at -1. So I'm going to break it up into three regions. Region 1, region 2, and region 3. And what I'm going to do is check any point in each region and see if it satisfies not the equation, but the initial inequality. All right, so I love 0. I'll just use 0 to check this region. So check 0. Okay. Is 0 squared minus 3 times 0 minus 4, is that greater than 0? Well, is -4 greater than 0? No. So this point does not satisfy the original inequality, so this whole region is bad. In general, when you get the center region to be bad, the two outers are good, but it's a good idea to just check to make sure. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so I'm going to check x equals 5 in the original inequality. So I've got 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 4. Is that greater than 0? All right, so that's 25 minus 15 minus 4. 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Is 6 greater than 0? Yes. So this region is good. Now I'll check this region. I'll just check -2. Okay, so in the original inequality, is -2 squared minus 3 times -2 minus 4, is that greater than 0? Let me erase some of this. -2 squared, -2 times -2 is 4. A minus times a minus, 6. 4 minus, so 6 bigger than 0? Yes. So I've got a good region, and a bad region. So now, all of these x's are good. All of these x's are good. However, there was no greater than or equal to, so technically this point here is no good, and this point here is no good, because there's no equal bar there. So now to report my answer, once I've got the number line, I'll just do it right below. My solution will be x is less than -1, or x is greater than 4. And just to make sure you understand, if this region was good and these regions were bad, then my answer would be x is greater than -1 and less than 4 at the same time. So this is not the answer, but if it was, I would have written it this way. Okay, so let me erase that. So this is my answer. So there you have it, how to solve a quadratic inequality.